Good morning. Well, today we're off to Caterham for fun of games, car show. There's going to be live music, barbecue, and we're going to spend the afternoon there from 12 o'clock. And I'll post a YouTube video and to show you what it's been like for our day. See you later. Bye. What's this one? Caterham?
It's a Dodge Charger, the General Lee.
Is it? Let's have a look at the General Lee.
There's actually two holes in the back that the thing like goes into to utilise it.
Black and grey Union Jack and a boxing glove.
I think it's got to be something you're either into or you're not.
Yes.
Malibu. It's got, that's a Plymouth. Quite Chrysler Plymouth, I think.
Is this American?
Chitty Chitty Bang Bang's arrived.
No, is that Chichi Bang Bang?
Yeah. It's not a real car, sweetie. Can you just get out?
Oh!
You've had your photo.
You know, period and nice, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, right, yeah. Or 3 years old.
Blue one here.
Did you put my phone in? Yeah, it's in the rucksack. Don't tip it up. And are you doing the rest of it now?
No, we can't get in it. No. Go, keep going this way, see what else there is. Yeah, let's see what other cars there are. Look at all these red ones.
think people are going to expect a bit more.
Mm.